Hello, guys. Welcome to Proggy again. So, are you concerned about staying safe online while you browse? With so many websites popping up every day, it's hard to know which ones to trust. But don't worry, today we are talking about an easy way to enhance your online security, the Norton Safe Web extension for Firefox. So, this powerful extension helps you avoid phishing scams, dangerous downloads, and malicious websites. It's like having a virtual bodyguard for your web browser, always on the lookout to keep you and your data safe. In this video, I'll walk you through what Norton Safe Web is, how it works, and why it is an essential tool for everyone who wants to browse the web with confidence. So let's get started. First, we will have to install the extension. For that, please go to this application menu on the right hand side. From there, go to add-ons and themes. From there, you can just scroll down a little and click on this find more themes, or you can go to extension and click on this particular link, addons.mozilla.org. Both will take you to this particular page. This is the official website of Firefox add-ons. Now you have to just go to the search bar and type Norton. That should work, I guess. And here it comes, Norton Safe Web. So click on that, and after it, click on Add to Firefox. You have to click on Add again, and that's it. The extension has been added. Your particular antivirus may ask for some exclusions and all, like it just came up here. So please give it an accept. And here also in the main screen, you have to click on accept. So that's it. So let's do a small test whether this particular extension is working or not. For that, let's go to a known web page like nbcnews.com, and from there, if you see the extension is now showing as green, if you click it, the Norton rating will be showing as safe, which is that Norton consider this particular web page as safe. And what about web pages which are not so good? So let me do a small test. So there is this particular web page called 17ebook.co. This is a known problematic website, a known dangerous website. So if you go there, the particular extension will automatically show you that, okay, this is not a good place to go. Now it's up to you whether you want to accept the risk and move forward. So you can click here, or you can exit the page, which is obviously the recommended option. So it's up to you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this extension helped you be a little more safer in your web journey. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for new stuff. And don't forget to like, share, comment, ask questions. And we will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.